Tonight's bold question: will the jury's race determine the verdict in the George Zimmerman murder trial? Day 4 of jury selection, some jurors being dismissed, others surviving to the next round of questioning. But everyone's wondering, what will the jury look like? And will the race of the 6 jurors be the determining factor in what happens to Zimmerman? In Florida tonight, criminal defense attorney Philip Snyder. So this is what I want from my experts. One word to describe a sequestered juror. Snyder, one word to describe a sequestered juror.
Camaraderie.
Zimmerman, let me go to Philip Snyder, great criminal defense attorney down there in Florida. Philip, is there a plausible argument to be made by the defense that Trayvon Martin is waiting in the bushes, jumps out, and attacks George Zimmerman?
Absolutely. The guy has a broken nose. He has lacerations on the back of the head. Unless he was Jim Carrey and Liar Liar and he was grabbing his head on the concrete, of course he was attacked by Trayvon Martin.
Okay, let's look for the next one on Facebook. Can you explain the legal definition of self-defense? Can we really ever know if no one else was there? Great question by
That's
Drew.
a great question. 15 seconds. Philip Snyder, why don't you do this one?
Well, you have to look at the evidence. The evidence in this case shows that George Zimmerman had a broken nose and lacerations on the back of his head. If there's ever a case of self-defense, this is the case.
All right, under 15 seconds.
Yeah, it was more like 10 seconds.
Well done. I just want to go to Philip Snyder. Philip, we only have a few seconds here, but is jury selection here going to be a black and white issue?
It's going to be a black and white issue, and it's very unfortunate, but that's the reality. People's minds are made up already, and unfortunately the black individuals who are in the jury have made up their minds, and the white individuals who are in the jury have made up their minds. It's quite sad, but it's the truth.